Okay, welcome to day one of Bedtime Welsh. We've got just one child available for you today. The other one's just hurt her elbow, so she might come in later on. Now we're just going to begin from the beginning. This is day one. Keep it absolutely simple. If you need to give your kid a little bit more time, then just hit the pause button. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the Welsh for I want. Now I want is dwi isio. Dwi isio. In the south you'll hear people saying dwi'n moyn, and that's absolutely fine, but you'll be understood if you say dwi isio wherever you are. So the Welsh for I want is
Dwi isio.
Dwi isio. Da iawn, Beina. Okay, so the Welsh for to speak is siarad. Siarad. The Welsh for to speak is siarad. So tell me to speak.
Siarad.
Siarad. Da iawn. Siarad. So I want to speak is
Dwi isio siarad.
dwi isio siarad. Da iawn. The Welsh for Welsh is Cymraeg. Cymraeg. So Welsh is
Cymraeg.
Cymraeg. To speak Welsh is
Siarad Cymraeg.
siarad Cymraeg. And finally for today, I want to speak Welsh is
Dwi eisiau siarad Cymraeg.
Gyd i ddeud isio, Dad, o'n i'n eisiau bod yn ffurfiol iawn. Ben is being a little formal for you there. Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg. Unwaith eto. Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg. Da iawn.